Welcome back. We're going to Russia, which part of Russia is in Europe. So, anyways, we're going to get some Russian tea cakes. They're kind of like snowballs. So we're gonna. It's another Russian dessert. Anyways, we're gonna do 2 cups of flour for this. We're gonna put that in a bowl, along with. Well, it says 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I'll do 1/3 of a cup. They're roughly the same. But I don't want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's pretty good. Anyways, technically it's ever so slightly under the lip of it, so it should be just about 6. So we're going to whisk these together. And we're also going to thaw some 2 sticks of butter, because it says for 1 cup, and 1 stick is a half cup. So soften them, do not melt them. So we're going to leave them in here, microwave just for a second. Then, now that these are done, I'd say they're pretty sufficiently soft. A little bit of liquid's coming out, but not too much. It's perfect. Okay. 1 stick. Two stick. And we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to mash the butter and the vanilla together. Perhaps I should have melted the butter a little bit more. It's still a bit firm. Okay, so instead of just putting it fully back in, I want to make sure it's... Oh yeah, that's definitely soft enough now. You can kind of see mushing it now. So put it back in there. Easier to mush in. And I kind of left a little bit of vanilla in there anyway, so. And start mashing it up. Make sure it's nice and smooth. There's 1 chunk in there still a little firm, but I get that. Okay, butter's nice and kind of smooth cream together. Now I gotta whisk the powdered sugar and flour together, which that's actually kind of good. And it says kind of mix these 2 together. Okay, that's done. Make it a little bit easier, let's use this. There we go. Might want to clean these off a little bit more, but we're going to leave that there for now, and well, add some nuts. Got some walnuts here. So I'm going to get this pan here and rinse it off, and then I got to get roughly a cup of walnuts. So 1, 2, 3. All right. 1/3 of a cup, so get 3 of them. And then get a big knife and then chop it up. This is finely chopped, so chop finely. There we go. Finely chopped walnuts. Might chop them a little bit more when I get the beater back out because it's able to mix a lot easier than I can. There we go. There we go. Now just pop these out and try to clean a bit of them off first. Taste a little bit. Quite good. Yeah, tastes really good. Okay, now we got that. Now we're going to need to get a pan and something I always forget. Hopefully it won't be a recurring thing. 350 again. 12 minutes is what we're going to cook it for, but let's... There we go. This is where your hands start to get a bit messy. Now we gotta take it and we're gonna roll them in about 1 inch diameter balls. Like that. And line it up. Okay, I shrunk the size down by a little bit so I could fit a bit more on, and now I have 24 of them. I couldn't do 36 still, but I got 24, and that's... they're pretty good size, actually. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put them in for 12 minutes, and then take them out when they're done. Okay, they're out. They're cool. Be careful. They do tend to be a bit crumbly still. But, I'm going to put this in here. Move it around with my spoon. Coat it in some powdered sugar. That's all this is, just powdered sugar. And then there you go. That's how you make it. That's all there is. So I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna get like 4 probably. I'll coat them all, but let's just start with 4. Got my mom back here again to taste test them. We got two ratings. We got the regular overall rating and then that holiday spirit rating.
All right.
Go ahead. What do you think?
Thank you. Oh, okay, awesome. Yeah.
Definitely a bit crumbly.
Definitely a bit crumbly, but the flavor completely melts in your mouth.
It's kind of what it's supposed to do.
I would say the crumbliness is kind of a downside, so I will give it an 8.
Okay.
But the taste is definitely amazing.
Okay, what about the holiday rating?
Holiday rating, they're beautiful. I think with the proper presentation with like holly leaves or something around it, it would be very lovely. Ooh, that's a hard one. I will say maybe a 7.
Okay. Nice. Russia, good job. Thank you for watching this video and stick around for tomorrow for the next dessert.